Welcome to all. Past 2-3 days I was little busy. Meanwhile, I uploaded one class for my course, that is for software class. Therefore, little delayed. 2 days I have not uploaded any class for engineering mechanics. Now, just a reminder, this is engineering mechanics class 345, part 5, lecture 28. Part 5 is what? Analysis of statically, same thing, determinate pin-jointed plane frames by method of joints and method of section both. Together it is called part 5. Already we finished method of joints. Now we are starting today method of sections. Now, recently, to show to the people what is the content of the class, I have not put any thumbnail. I wrote in what you can see in the board. I took a photograph of that one and uploaded. Slowly I will do one thing. I will change the thumbnail so that you can see class number, part number in the thumbnail along with the class question also. I have to adjust it. It will take some time. Okay. Now, before I start, write everything I explain and dictate. Remember, lot of things are there. Don't write this one. Okay, right? No problem. Lot of things are there. Here, I don't have that much time. Cannot afford write non-stop story here. So what I will do? Some points I will explain. See, I will explain and some I will dictate. Dictate you can make out. I will tell, okay, now I am dictating. So, explanation you are right. What I dictate also you are right. But remember, in the notes I will write everything. Because that is for those who are going for the notes, for them extra privilege. Okay, now here, those who are serious and want to understand, you should write. If you don't write, you are losing, that's all. Okay. See, first of all, before I start method of section, something I want to tell. A small recap for method of joints. I won't explain the term now, find support reactions, all already over. In method of joints, we consider equilibrium of a joint. And we consider all the external forces acting on the joint. Remember, external forces. One thing I will tell now. See, just a minute. See, I think, okay, I not there. I write here. Don't see anything here. Imagine a pin-jointed frame. Simple. That's all. Sufficient for me. Okay. One load here, one support here, one support here. See, these are actually pins actually, pin-jointed frame. Just to understand, see. Let hinge and roller. I will tell A, B and C. I will apply a load here. Some two loads are there. Okay. Now, what I will do first, I will find support reactions. See, I will write here this way. I will find support reactions first. See, consider this load. Consider this load. A, B, this is a pin, and then vertical reaction here. It can be either upward or downward. I cannot tell because depends on what is this load and what is this distance and what is this force and this distance. When you take, see, if you take moment about B, if the moment of the vertical force about B is more than moment of the horizontal force about B, then VA will be upwards. But if moment of this horizontal force about B is more than moment of the vertical force about B, VA will be downward. So I will take upward, okay, something required, I will take upward, VA. Okay, then VB will be 100% upward. Y means you think, see, this hinge support, I'll put hinge support correctly on it. Okay, hinge here, roller here. See, these are all concept actually on it. This is 100% upwards, I know it. This can be upward or downward, that you will be knowing only when you solve the problem. So right now, I will assume upward. Okay, no problem. Imagine upward. So it will be upward if moment of this force, horizontal force about B, not A, about B is less than moment of this vertical force about B. Why you don't bother? People who have got good idea, they will understand. Others, you imagine upward. See, then, since the right side force is there, horizontal reaction will be left side, HA. See, now, I will put tick mark here. You know the value, you know the value, you know the value. Okay. Now, method of joint, see, ABC. See, correctly now, ABC. You consider equilibrium of a joint where number of unknowns are not more than 2. Remember, see, this all I am dictating. In method of joints, number of unknowns at the selected joint should not be more than 2. Okay, but luckily this question, whether you go for A or go for B or C, everywhere, it is 2. Okay, leave it. That is not important for us. What I want to tell is something else now. Okay, you start A. I will consider equilibrium of joint A. See, EQ, okay, of joint A. Okay, I will put the sketch here. See, VA acting upwards. Red color I will write VA, but remember it is known value, known. HA acting left side. I will put red color HA reaction, but it is known value. Then, two forces here by the members. One of the force is, I do not know direction now, see. One force is like this, one force is like this. Now, 100% this force will be like this. Now, oh, HA is this side. So, again, infinite percent this force will be like this. My guarantee. It is infinite percent. This is this way, this will be this way. Okay. This all I explained for you. That is not my important. This is force P for the joint A. See here. For why I am telling, I will tell the reason. Why I am telling all this, there is a reason for it. You should patiently listen. In my class, if you want to understand everything, some will tell you he is talking too much. I talk too much for your benefit, not my benefit. I am not getting any benefit. By talking too much, I am getting tired, that's all. All my tiredness, I am bearing it to give education to everybody. Okay. Now, one more thing is there, I will tell you. P for P, see, I call P at A, B. This is P at, this is A, B, A, C. Sorry, okay. A, B, C, D problem. This is not a problem. P, A, B. This way, right? Now, I will ask somebody, not ordinary person, a person with high good structural knowledge. Sorry for telling this one, but I have to admit it. I have to not admit. I have to tell it. My purpose is to reform or change everybody who are making mistake. So I will tell. Someone will tell this person is arrogant person. He thinks he knows. He is the only one who is knowing. Let them tell, I am not arrogant. My purpose is to give education. Okay. Joint A. I will ask the person, there are 10 people here, imagine. Okay, not 10, 1 minute. 100 people here who are all considered very good in structural knowledge. Okay, then I will ask, what is VA? External or internal? They will laugh and tell, external, very good. What about HA? For the joint A, what about HA? External or internal? They will tell again external reaction. They will tell external reaction. Very good. Then I will ask them. But remember, what about these two forces? External or internal? I am so sure out of 100 people, very sorry to tell, 99% people, that is 99%, will tell it is internal. Only maybe one in 100, very sorry to tell this one, he may tell that also is external. I will tell immediately, congratulations, you are right. Everybody is wrong. This also is external. It is not internal. Okay, leave it now. I do not want to go further here because very soon in the YouTube, my course will run. Parallelly, one more course will run. Title I have not decided. It can be eye-opener, or know the mistake you are making, or the real concept, or do not make this mistake. You become more and more learned, or improve your knowledge. Do not make silly mistake. Again comment will come at that time, no problem. Purpose is not to insult, etc. Poor people, not poor people, what to do? They think they have got their own idea. So many told them that way, so they will tell that way. They will tell this is internal. No, it is external. Why today I will not tell? Because no time. Separate class is there for that one. There I will discuss hours together. What is the problem? I will ask one more question. Axial force, shear force, bending moment, twisting moment, what are those? Again, 99%. They are internal. No, they are not internal. They are external. Very, very sorry. Even reputed places, I do not want to tell where, so many countries outside, including our country also, reputed person, they will tell, see, or for that matter, if you go to Google and type, go for Google, type bending moment shear force, the very first thing you can see in Google is bending moment and shear force are internal. I will tell Google, Mr. Google, sorry, from tomorrow change it. Or wait for some time, let me upload the class for that one. Why it is not internal, why external, how many examples? In a paper, I noted down examples. Number of examples already crossed 50, I noted down. But all 50 I can't tell. Structural reason I will give, practical knowledge I will give you, eating I will tell, then I will tell eating, hitting somebody, I will tell that way, medical line I will tell, or go to a hotel or restaurant, eat something, everything I will tell at that time. Then I will ask last question. Now tell me, axial force or shear force or bending moment or twisting moment or what? They will tell external. Then, no, we thought internal. We were misguided so far. Everywhere misguided. They will tell, because you told so convincingly, it cannot be wrong. I will tell sometime. If I tell a concept, it cannot be wrong. I will not commit. I never made a wrong concept so far. So, therefore, leave it now. Too much time is wasted now. These are internal. Is the wrong answer. These are external. Now only so many will tell. See, if I tell outside, suppose a seminar is there. Suppose a seminar. If I tell this way, shouting will come. No, you are wrong. It is internal. I will tell, wait. Don't tell so fast. Why? They will tell everywhere. Everybody is telling. Everybody telling is not the answer. See, my father used to tell. Suppose whenever I tell, all are doing it. He will tell, all are doing some bad thing. You want to do it? No. So don't tell all are doing. All are breaking traffic rules. No free left turn. All are going free left. But I am not going. I will wait. I give respect to traffic. If no free left turn is there, I will wait. I will come to, earlier all I will stand in the middle. Now I decided no fighting. I will go to an extreme edge and wait. Sometimes people will laugh at me. They will tell, go, 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 go. I will tell you go. Don't tell me to go. Okay. So these are external. Remember, why I am telling is you require for method of sections now. That's why I am telling. Reason I will tell later. Okay, now make this much note. This all explanation. This you don't have to write actually. This you listen again and again. If you want to improve your knowledge, you listen to it. That's all. Now I will remove this one now. Okay. Okay, now do one thing. Leave it. This is so much talking. What to do? See, when you have to educate people, you have to tell each and everything. You understand that one. I can't just tell something. One more important is there now. Recently in YouTube, see, today I came to know, you can watch in any language. See, those who are in my state, Karnataka, they will watch in English. Okay. Kannada is our local language. Auto translation to Kannada is not active in Google. They may do it later. But Hindi language is there. They sent a message to me. My KSN Institute, they told all your recently uploaded videos, I should not tell them, sir, it is not videos, it is classes. They will laugh. Okay. All your videos uploaded recently, we have enabled auto language selection. You go to auto language, those who want Hindi, click Hindi. I was shocked. So beautiful narration. My way of in English talking, that is more attractive. But it is writing is me only. I got stunned by the, I think it was artificial intelligence, I think. Not a single mistake. And what fluently is telling. As if I am taking Hindi class. Really, I got shocked by the technology. Such a beautiful way of explanation. I listened to my own class for 10 minutes. Listen in Hindi. I know very good Hindi. But grammar problem will come. Sometimes usko, uski, ka, ki, I get doubt. I tell something. So many times, I used to talk in Hindi only for people who are from North India who used to come to me. So, but I cannot upload the class in Hindi. This English. Now, you can switch to Hindi mode and listen there. Really, I tell hats off to hats off to modern technology and to YouTube technology also. It's a beautiful translation. I thought they may tell something which you can't understand. When I listened to that one, I really got the shock of my life. This much technology. Every word I am telling, not a single mistake. Maybe I don't know. Some rarely mistake may happen. So anyway, advantage for those who want in Hindi. Try it once. Okay, now, see, I have got little cold also. That's why occasionally some problem. Okay. Engineering mechanics, class 345, I told all. Analysis of statically determinate pin-jointed plane frames. Earlier I told. Same thing by method of joints, now by method of sections. Okay. I told class, write everything I explain and dictate from now onwards. So far what I told, if you write, why you want to write? Listen to it. Okay, now start. See, I told recap, I will once again recap for you. In method of joints, recap, right? We consider equilibrium of a joint. And we consider all the external forces acting on the joint. External forces acting on that joints are either directly applied external forces, or if that joint is support, reaction from support to that joint, and also whichever members are connected to that joint, external forces acting on the joint from that member. From that member, external forces acting on the joint. But external forces acting on the joint from that member later will become axial force for the member. That is later. Okay, that is right. And the joint selected should not contain more than 2 unknown forces from members. 2 unknown, or simple language, 2 unknown member forces. Usually I don't call member force because member force means you consider compression tension. But here you consider direction. We don't consider compression tension. Compression tension you change later. Okay. So number of forces from members to the joint, from members should not, unknown forces should not be more than 2. Okay. That way you solve, get the answer. Then continue joint by joint. Once you solve one joint, when you go to next some other joint, previously solved joint result is known for you. Anyway, so many questions are over. Now sections I am starting. After that, at least more than 50 questions. I'll give exercise for you where method of joint and method of section both will be there. Okay, now that all you write. Now you tell goodbye to method of joint. Sorry, one thing forgotten. Then we apply the basic conditions of static equilibrium, namely sigma V0 and sigma H0. Some people call sigma Fx0, sigma Fy0. No issues, okay, no problem. No problem, both are same. Remember, only this way. And then make a note, since you are considering equilibrium of a joint, the force system is a concurrent force system. See, in method of joint, we consider a concurrent force system for which sigma V, sigma H are applicable, but sigma M0 is not applicable. Why? Concurrent force system, there is no moment. See, all the forces are passing through that point. How you take moment? So, sigma M0 not there. So, only two equations, equilibrium. Only two equilibrium conditions. Therefore, number of unknowns should not be more than 2. This all I told earlier. Leave it now. Write it. Recap. Now come to method of sections. Today only introduction class. Now come to method of sections. Okay, 1 minute. For a thorough understanding, for a very thorough understanding, you write, now we will consider method of section. But before considering method of sections, I will explain something. You consider, you write here, a pin-jointed plane frame given in the sketch. See, A, B, I want to be there. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 joints are there. So, number of member will be 2J, 30 minus 3, 27 members, guaranteed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Why? Number of members equal to 2J minus 3. You know it. N equal to 2J minus 3 for a perfect frame. Substitute 2 into number of joints, 15, minus 3, 30 minus 3, 27, tallying. But one special case is there, a pin-jointed plane frame with the 2 hinged support, where one of the hinge support, only one member is attached and no member connecting the 2 hinges. That also is perfect frame only, I told already. Okay, leave it now. Special, sorry, special cases later. Okay, now you write this one. Now make a note. I will dictate something now. First, you see, you write all this first. See, to thoroughly understand, first you write this sketch. See, randomly I am showing, it is not inclined load. Randomly I have shown the loads. Loads may be there or may not be there. Sometimes what? Sometimes load can be vertical, some places it can be horizontal or inclined. That does not matter. Joints, loads are applied. Okay, now you write the sketch first of all. Okay, then write. I am dictating now. Still I have not come to method of sections. See, first you find support reactions. So, V reaction at B is perpendicular plane RB equal to VB. So, it will be like this. VB. RB equal to VB. Vertical reaction at B. Then, hinge support, vertical reaction VA, I will assume upwards. Okay, A, can you please go that side? Okay, thank you. And horizontal reaction randomly, I will take HA. So, there are 3 reactions. Now, it is not a method of joint. It is a coplanar force system. So, now we have sigma V0, sigma H0 and sigma M0. See, when you find reactions, 3 equations, 3 conditions of equilibrium. That's why you can solve 3 unknowns. But when you apply method of joint, sigma M is not there. there only two unknowns. See, right here, concurrent force system means two conditions. Coplanar force system means three conditions. Which one? Sigma V sigma H plus another sigma M0. Okay, now take moment about A, for example, right here. Any point you can take, we'll take about A. When you take moment about A, you write here, we am dictating, take moment about A, we will get the value of VB. I'll put black right mark. See, right means already known. Let it be upward. Okay, no time waste. Apply, see, sigma M is over. Apply sigma V0. When you apply sigma V0, that is VB, you get the value of VA. Apply sigma H0, you get the value of HA. Okay, now write the sketch once again, and for all inclined member, find the angles. See, distance are not given. Okay, now do one thing. Suppose the question, now what I am telling you should write. I told you I am dictating. Suppose the question is find axial forces. I don't call find forces. See, finding force is wrong. Like you cannot tell bending moment as moment. So many people what to do? They will tell moment at center is WL square by 8. I will tell them, sorry boss, moment at center is 0. They will tell, what fool you are? What 0? WL square by 8. I will tell, that is bending moment. You are telling moment. Moment at every point equal to 0, equilibrium. Oh, yes. I never call moment, I call bending moment. I never call force, I call member axial force. Okay, leave it. This all I will tell later. Now, suppose the question is find axial forces in all the members, then method of joint is the best method. See here, start from joint A. You get force in these two members. You should see this, you have to listen. After A, go to joint C. You get these two forces. Come to here, these two unknowns. Come here, these two unknowns. Come here, these two unknowns. Come here, these two unknowns. You can change the side also. Okay, leave it, continue. Come here, these two will come. Come here, these two over. Come here. No, come here. See, by mistake I told, not possible. Why? Three unknowns are there. Come here. These two are over. Come here. These two are over. Here. These two over. Come here. These two are over. Then any joint, okay, go here, come here. These two are over. Only one member pending, either go to I or J, get this one. Okay. This is how to analyze by method of joint. See, what I have shown deliberately is a practical case. This is a through type truss. See, through type bridge truss. There are two types are there. One is through type, other is deck type. In through types, vehicles are moving here. In deck type, vehicles are moving on the upper side. See, this is through type. This is usually for road bridges. Railway bridges, see, will be always like this, usually. See, sufficient. Railway track will be here. See, loads will be moving on the upper. Here, loads will be moving along the bottom chord member. In the deck type, loads or wheel load will be passing over top chord member. So this is example for a through type. If you go by a bus or a bridge, you can see your road level is here. Either side, you can see truss here. But if you go by a railway bridge, this type is not popular because the road secured here. You can see usually railway bridges this way. Truss will be below. Truss can be, see, railway bridges also can be through type. There is no rule. But deck type for roads, they don't prefer. They don't prefer because it's little dangerous road. Vehicle may fall down. See, vehicle may fall down. Here, if the vehicles are moving here, truss will give protection, side protection. Okay, leave it now. So there's a reason for this one because later I will tell the real importance of method of sections. Okay, now this way you write all this. method of joint, and then you can make a note. This we already know. Why? So many questions are solved in the class. See, if I do only by calculator, this question may take me 3.5 minutes or 4 minutes. Why? 27 members are there. It may take around 4 minutes. That's all. If I do by calculator. If you write and do it, it may take you 45 minutes. Okay, now this statement are given. You write everything. Now I will come to method of sections. 1 minute. Okay. Now come to method of sections. You can see what is the 10 kilometer. Some practical example, I'll tell you later. I removed everything, see. So I told you method of joint, what to do. Now, again some note you have to write. See, these all you cannot write actually. So what you do is, go through this explanation repeatedly till you get idea. What you write, I will tell you later. See, something I told about method of joint, that you write, equilibrium all. But this story all, don't write. Now, for example, make a note. Suppose forces in all members are not required. Only some selected members are required. Why means no answer. Reason is there. See, suppose you want to draw influence line diagram for any force in any member. Suppose you want ILD for force in this member. Then you require only force in that member. Other member force are not required. Or for some reason, see, that all comes in structural design or advanced part. You make a note. Suppose forces, axial forces. See, I told first forces actually. Okay, no problem. Suppose axial forces in all members are not required. Only some selected members are required. Then, for example, I will tell you, suppose forces in, I will put red color here. This member required and this member required. AC and AO. You can directly go for method of joint. Why? Start here and get the answer. Over. Right. Then write. Suppose force in this member required and force in this member required. You can go to method of joint. Start from A. When you come to A, you get force in this member, force in this member. Then go to joint C, you get these two forces. Okay, then or. Suppose you want force in this member and this member. What you do? Start from joint A, find axial forces in these two members. Here you can't come because why? 1, 2, see, 1, 2, 3 unknowns are there. This is known, but this is unknown. Then come to joint C, get these two forces. Now these are known, 2 unknowns are there. You can find that way. So if you want axial forces in some of the members which are near to the end, either left end or right end. See, for example, suppose you want force in these two members. Okay. What you can do? Start from joint B, get force here, get force here. Okay, then come to joint I, get this force and get this force. So, if you want axial forces in some members which are either at the left side, extreme left side, or extreme right side, or sometime frames will be given this way, extreme top or extreme bottom. Method of joint is quite okay, you can do it. But that way, see, suppose I want force in these two members. See, I will question mark I will put here. Force in these two members required. What to do? See now. Start from A, get these two axial forces. Go to C, get these two. Come to O, get these two. Come here, then these two. So, to get the forces, axial forces in those two members, you have to consider 1, 2, 3, 4 joints. Previous 3 joints are not answer. That is to reach here, so that when you come to this joint, only 2 unknowns are there. So, become little laborious. That way you write. Now do one thing to thoroughly understand method of sections. I will tell you. Suppose you write here, important. Suppose you want axial forces in exactly midway, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This member, see, I'll make dark this member, and this member, you require axial forces. What I will do is, I do not know direction of axial, direction means what nature of axial force. It can be tension or compression. What I will do is, now I decided, see, in a method of joint, you can decide the direction at a joint very easily. Method of sections, I can decide. Suppose if someone will ask, what is the nature of force in this member? I look there and tell. Compression. This member depends on the loading also. Tension. This member. I will think a little and tell this force. But there is difference between you and me. Sorry, you have to admit it. It is difficult. See, so many in between. Difficult. Therefore, what I do in method of section is, I will always assume member force to be tensile in nature. See, this way. Going away from the joint, I will assume like this. This way, everywhere outward. See, I will assume everywhere from the joint, it is going outward. This I will tell you later in the procedure. When I go, right now you believe me. Okay, outward. Okay. This is what? Force in the member, which one? See, these are equal, same forces. Okay, now, I will do one thing now. To understand, I won't name it now. I will take this as X. See, I will take this force as X. This is X means this is also X. This is Y. This is Y. This is Z. This is Z I will take. Later I will write what? PFG, PFL, PFML, or here if I write PGF, PLF, PLM. That is when I go to method of sections. Right now, X, both, see, this both are, you can write X here. Why I am not writing X here? There's a reason. If this is X, this is also X only. Okay. X, Y, Z. So you require X, how much? Y, how much? Z, how much? Or who knows? You may require only X. You may require only Y. You may require only Z. But one thing, little later you will understand. Right now, you believe me. In method of sections, at a time, number of unknown forces in the unknown forces, member forces, what is axial forces or unknown forces should not be more than 3 under normal cases. But someone will tell, sir, if 4 also I can solve, I will tell, you are telling wrong version. That is only possible some special cases where all the 4 will not come. Due to some reason, one of that will come. In some competitive examination, sometime even if 4 unknowns are there, sum of one or two of them you can find. Other you can't find. If you find, I'll quit my class, I'm teaching. If using 3 equations, if you can find 4 unknown at a time, I will quit. Okay. Then I will tell something else. See, that all I will discuss later. So, someone should not tell. When I tell number of unknowns should not be more than 3. Why 3 I will tell you. See, method of joint, number of unknowns should not be more than 2. But method of sections should not be more than 3 because now sigma V is there, sigma H and also sigma M will come. Someone told me long back, I can solve using only sigma M equal to 0. I told, sorry, how? I will apply 3 times. Very good. You will get the answer correct. But remember, you do not know the basic concept. Applying sigma M0 3 times means unknowingly for you, but knowingly for me, it is applying sigma V, sigma H only. Huh? How? one brain teaser I uploaded earlier. See, take moment about A, simply support beam, find VB, take moment about B, find VA, sigma V0 you are not applied. Then I asked the question. See there, in the brain teaser playlist you can see there. Why sigma V is not applied? I got a perfect reason. I will tell you now. Applying for a simply supported beam, see, for a simply supported beam, suppose this is A and B, if the reactions are VA and VB, I will tell partially answer now. See, some loading is there. Usually what you do, take moment about A, sigma M0, sigma H is not applicable here. Why? No horizontal load. Take moment about A, sigma M0, you get VB, sigma V0, you get VA. Usually people do that way. But you take moment about A, then VA into 0, you get the value of VB. Take moment about B, you get the value of VA. So, instead of applying sigma V0, after applying sigma M0, instead of applying sigma V0, if you once again apply sigma M0, means you are using sigma M0 twice. Sigma V0 we are not using. No. First time when you apply sigma M0, it is actually sigma M equal to 0. When you apply sigma M0 second time, about some other point, I will tell unknowingly for you, then I will tell sorry, but knowingly for me. Applying sigma M0 second time is nothing but applying sigma V0 only. Why? I will tell in that class. Nobody answered. So many tried there. They called me. Some people, known people called me. Some commented there. Something they told. I told everywhere wrong. Beautiful reason is there. I will tell you later. So, now, when you go to method of sections, you have 3 equilibrium conditions. Sigma M0, sigma V0 and sigma H0. All 3 are applicable. See? All 3 applicable. All 3 applicable for method of sections. Right here, sections. Why? Because in method of section, we are not considering equilibrium of a joint. We are not considering concurrent force system. We are considering coplanar force system. Because, reason I will write here. See, because we consider, where in method of sections, we consider coplanar force system. Coplanar force system. These all I will explain further. Right now not required. Leave it now. So these 3 unknowns you want, imagine. Then what to do if it is method of joint? See here. Start from A, get these 2. Then after A go to C, get these 2. Go to O here, get these 2. Up to here over. Go to D, get up to here over. Go to N, up to here over. Go to E, up to here over. Then go to F. These 2 will come. These 2 go to M. Go to M. These 2 will come. This is not required. These 2 will come. Then go to F. Get these 2. Oh, long journey. Or I will give a practical example. See, imagine in a city, very highly developed city, there is a stretch of 10 kilometers. It is there. In Bangalore only, there are roads of more than 2-3 kilometers for the full traffic. Sometimes not 10 kilometers there. In Bangalore I have seen. Sometimes some heavy traffic road, 10 kilometers, there is a fully main road, fully commercial. Okay, do one thing. See, these are all heavy traffic. See, this dot means very heavy traffic. Such a traffic that moving from here to here, due to some reason, traffic jam, there is lot of problem. Imagine side by side some metro work is going on, and side by side road repairs are going on. So from here to go there, imagine in a vehicle, it may take 4 hours. 4 hours. Okay. Or now do one thing. Make a note. But imagine somebody coming from there. He want to go, suppose imagine you have to go in this road for some reason. For some reason you have to go in this road. Why means you have to go in this road in your vehicle only. See, for example, you got a car. In your car, you have to take the car somewhere here. See, imagine in the main road, there is a garage here, repair shop. You have to take your car there. Okay, 1 minute, I'll put here. Imagine somewhere here, there's a garage. Your car you have to take there. That is the only place, official place. Now, then you are somewhere coming there. You can do one thing. You can come to this side of the road, enter the road, slightly struggle, go for some 300, 400 meter, you get the garage, take the vehicle inside. Okay, very good. That is, if you want to force in some of the members here, method of joint, okay. Or, suppose you have to take your vehicle, car, somewhere here. Some garage is there. No problem. What you do? When you come to this busy road, come from other side. Come from this side. Or somebody who is coming from that side. What he will do? He will come here. Somehow he will manage in the traffic. Some say 100, 200 meter, maybe 10, 15 minutes. He will reach here and his work is over. He will give the car there and go. Okay. Now, or imagine your garage is somewhere here or somewhere here. See, from here to here, imagine is around 10 kilometers there, 2 kilometers. This is also 2 kilometers. Okay, 2 kilometers. So, whatever is there, 2 kilometer traffic, you have to bear it. See, suppose you want to force us somewhere here. Directly you can't do. You start from here, get these two, go here, get these two, come here, get these two, then come here. So, this much traffic you have to bear. Then what to do? Or, to make more clear, imagine your garage is exactly midpoint. See, midpoint here, garage. From here, 5 kilometers, see. From here, around 5 kilometers, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the middle one. This is 5 kilometers. See? From here to here is 5 kilometers. Or from here to here also 5 kilometers. Oh, what to do? If you do by method of joints, you have to bear the trouble. You have to start from here. I told you, start from A, get these two. See, start from A, get these two. Come to C, get these two, come here, 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 get these two, this is not required, go here, come here, get these two. Oh, you will tell, oh, traffic jam. See, maybe 4 hours not required, 2 hours required. So, 2 hours in traffic, you have to manage, cursing somebody will come and rub you, then tell this, what is this traffic, got fed up. Finally, imagine summer, AC is not working, imagine still, summer, AC is not working for some reason. How much painful and irritating journey to reach here. Now, by chance, of course, if you can afford, imagine there's a special service is there. There is helicopter service is there, where if you come here, helicopter service, they will lift your car directly, they will take you and drop here. Terrace of somewhere here, space is there inside big garage, space is there. Oh, how nice it is. No traffic jam, nothing. You come here, book a helicopter, he will lift the car from here, see, he will lift it here. See, this is a horizontal road, so vertical is here. He will lift here. Within what? Within 1 minute or 2 minutes, he will come and drop you here. Okay, pay. He will tell charges. Okay, pay it. This is method of sections. So then you don't have to go via traffic here, 5 kilometer horrible traffic, 2 hours journey. You will be so much frustrated. By the time you reach here, you will start wondering why I bought the car first of all. But you have to take the car. Some reason service is there, very important for you. You have to go there. In a vehicle only, someone will tell, sir, it is better to walk. Walking not allowed. You can't walk. Take your car like this. You have to take the car. That's why I told. Otherwise, someone will tell, sir, why can't you walk? No. You have to take the car. You can't take this way car, no. Okay. Now, therefore, you write all this one. Tell me, in method of section, what you are doing. See, suppose, leave it now, see. I'll remove all this now. These all, you cannot write, I think, most probably. What you have to do? You have to go through the class repeatedly. Now see, what is method of section? I will tell now. In method of sections, we divide the pin-jointed frame into 2 parts, not equal parts, randomly 2 parts by passing a section. See, I will do one thing now. I will take a section here. See. Random will do, no problem. Section. Say some name for section. Force, coplanar, force system. Okay. Some section. Some name required. One cut. I will take the cut as 1-1 here. 1-1 cut. Later I may call XX or X1, X1. Now because X is already used, I will tell 1-1. Later I usually call X1, X1. Then if I take one more cut, X2, X2 like that. Okay, 1-1. You cut here. And then, see. Then, you take a section here, this way, cut it. Then, I am dictating in method of sections, you first decide. See, I already told you, number of unknowns should not be more than 3. See, X, Y, Z. Rare case 4 possible. Because if I tell 3, somebody may tell, sir, 4 unknowns also I can solve. I will tell, I know it. But that is not traditional. It is for objective type question, for usually GATE they ask. Other simple exam they don't ask. Only UPSC or GATE in India, high level, there they ask such question to test your intelligence. That I will tell you later. In the course only I will tell. Exceptional case where 4 unknowns are okay, but remember all the 4 will not come, some selected will come. I told there is always exception, but under general rule I am telling, academic purpose or practical purpose, see those type of frames are rare frames. They are very rare frames, some very odd frames. Those frames are given only for examination purpose. They are not practical oriented. So this is a bridge truss. This is practical oriented. So therefore, I will tell now, exceptional case, leave it. Because somebody may tell tomorrow, he told only 3, 4 possible. I will tell, do you think this much I am knowing, that much I am not knowing? I will question then, but that much I am not knowing. So I am telling general case for people who are studying in the beginning. In the beginning I will tell, number of unknowns should not be more than 3. Yes, see, X, Y, Z, you write here. Take a section here. Then I am dictating, you consider equilibrium of the pin-jointed frame to any one side of the section 1-1. So what you have to write? Now you have to consider, see, right here. See here I write. Here I frame is problem, I write here now. Okay. See. Consider now equilibrium of 1-1. A come this side. Okay. Pin jointed frame. Okay. Pin jointed plane frame. Full respect to subject. To equilibrium of pinch joint plane frame to any consider equilibrium of any one side any one side of section considered, that is here right now 1 of, you write here, of pinch jointed plane frame, statically determinate, very important. Indeterminate you cannot solve this way, sorry. You consider of equilibrium to any one side in 1 of statically determinate, see here, statically determinate pinch jointed plane frame. You consider equilibrium is considered. Any one side you consider. I will show you now how one side is considered. Below I will put the sketch now, 1 minute. Okay, just now I told you section 1 you cutting the 3 members in which axial force are required. See, this is explanation, systematic procedure I am giving next class. This is only to understand the real meaning of method of sections. That's why lengthy. Okay, now we consider coplanar force system, so 1 meter. Now to find x, y, z, you write once again now here, see, to find x, y, z, like directly see, these are all not required. To find x, y, z, you apply sigma m0, sigma v0 and sigma s0, that is equilibrium conditions for a coplanar force system by considering equilibrium of any one side of section 1 of the statically determinate pinch jointed plane frame. See now, what to do now, see here. See, now cut is not applied, see, cut is here. Make a note, where you cut does not matter. Where you cut does not matter. So, also, see, this cut is there here, see. I want some space, cut. I will remove some portion here. Okay, that is out of scale. Okay, this way. See, this is your 1 This also 1 only. See, actually these are together. Okay, little zigzag. Okay, no problem. How it is there? Okay, no problem. 1 Okay, here little. Okay, 1 See, this is 1 this also 1 Remember, I think space problem here. You can't see anything. This is 1 This also 1 only. I will explain later. 1 minute now. I'll check the camera. Yes, visible. Okay, now see, make a note here. Both sides we are not considering. This is explanation. See, I told in the traffic road, if you come to midpoint of the car, you either take the helicopter service from that end to midpoint or garage or this end. Don't try both. So, some people may look left side. For them, see, if you are considering equilibrium to left side of 1 this is not there. See, this is not there. Right here, the right side sketch is not there if you are considering equilibrium to left of 1 whereas left side sketch is not there if you are considering equilibrium of the right side. Okay, now see, I entered once again here VA, HA, see here all names joints I named. See, I even show the forces also. Everything I shown once again here. Now see, now what to do is, see, for if I consider equilibrium of 1 you mark all the external forces This is where people make mistake. They will tell, if you consider what I am dictating, you should write now. If you are considering equilibrium of what? Left side of section 1, 1 minute now. One doubt comes. Sir, how you can consider? Remember, there is a rule in structural engineering. Entire frame is in, entire building is in equilibrium. Part of the building is also in equilibrium. Each and every member is in equilibrium. Even a part of member is in equilibrium. For that matter, each and every point in the structure is in equilibrium. So, you can apply equilibrium to entire frame or part of the entire building, entire structure or part of the structure, or for any particular member, component, or even part of the component, or even for a point by point, you can apply equilibrium. These all I will tell, upload classes in YouTube for thorough knowledge later. Okay, now this much over. Now see, what I am dictating you write, and then I am closing the class, because why? Systematic procedure I will give you next time. Today is introduction. See, I am dictating now. Those people who are considering equilibrium to left of 1, 1, this side, left of, what they have to do is, they have to consider the reaction at A, VA, HA. All the external forces acting at the joint this side, see, at A, C, O, D, N, F, M, M. And also, they have to consider the external force. 99% they will tell internal force. No, it is not internal force. It is external force. Okay, I will upload a class for that one. That is here. See here, X. Push it outside. Push it outside. Y, Z. Now, to this side, you apply equilibrium conditions. How many unknowns are there? 3 unknowns are there, X, Y, Z. 3 conditions are there. You can get the answer. See, directly helicopter taking you to center of the traffic road. None of them required. Okay, now write. See, this is where people will tell, sir, it is internal, sir. What internal? Keep quiet, I will tell. Wait for some time. Or, see, if you write this sketch, do not write that sketch. Okay, then, or, if you are considering equilibrium to right side of section 1, 1, then the reaction, this force, this force, this force, this force, this force, this force, and see here, X. This one, see, you are considering what? Equilibrium to what? Right side means, see, if you are right side, you have to take this force going away, then this force, this all I will explain next time for you. Y and Z. If you are considering left side, see, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. If you are looking right side, push it this side. X, see here. X, Y, Z. They are not internal, they are external. Now, I will tell one thing for you. If you see my academic class, I don't do this way. I consider it here only. Because engineering students, if I tell all these things, they will get tension. So, like if I mark here, no problem. Then this member is not there. Instead of member, that force, it is nothing to worry. So someone will tell, sir, when you took the class for us in the first semester BE or second semester BE, you marked it here, sir. There I marked there because academic, no confusion. This much I am not explaining. Here you are going for basic knowledge. Therefore, I take this way. Anyway, when you study, go and more, this will be clear for you. Nothing to worry. I am there to make clear. No confusion. I will see that. See, both you are not considering. Remember, both you are not considering. You are considering only one, but 1 minute. Next class will be a demo class, not question number. A demo class. In the demo class, once I will consider left side, get the answer x, y, z. Then I will consider right side and get the value of x, y, z. My guarantee, result will come same. Otherwise, you know what I will tell. I will stop the teaching. Okay. This is how you do it. Now, how to apply? See, when you apply sigma m equal to 0, you should take moment about which point. That's a very, very important concept. I will tell briefly now. See, x, y, z. Among the three unknowns, if you look this side, among the three unknowns, there will be a point where two unknowns are meeting. Where? Here, see, F joint. This all I am explaining next class. Today, just brief idea for you. If I take moment about F, see, x into 0, y into 0, you get the value of z. Once you get z, sigma v0, sigma h0 will give x and y. Okay, then. Or, if you look right side, see here, x, y, z, see this point here, L. If you take moment about L, y into 0, z into 0, you will get x. See here, if you take moment about F here, first z will come, then xy will come. But here, first x will come, then yz will come. These all I will demonstrate in the next question, which is actually demo question. But remember, demo question is the most powerful. Why? Everything I am explaining step by step there, including procedure I will give for you. So today, this much you understand, you write there. Today what I told is explanation. This I will not repeat next time. I will not tell next time why I cut here. I will tell then why you have not gone through last class. If you are serious, you should go through each and every class. Okay, then next time I will write here procedure for method of section with the most powerful demo question or master question without number. Then once that is over, it may take around 1 hour class. Then I will tell question number continue. I don't know what is the previous question number. I don't know what is the question number. I will continue question number. Okay, that's all. Hope everything is clear. Study thoroughly and understand. Okay, thank you. Next class we will meet.